Hello, my dear. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, I want to share a recipe made with love, just like home used to be. Before we start, if you enjoy cozy homemade recipes like this one, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps more than you think. Apple pie is more than just a dessert. It's a memory, it's warmth, it's the smell of apples and cinnamon filling the house. Today, we're making a classic American apple pie, simple, comforting, and timeless. Everything starts with fresh apples. They're peeled, sliced, and placed into a large bowl. Sugar, cinnamon, a touch of nutmeg, and a little lemon juice are added. As we mix, the apples begin to release their juices, creating the heart of the pie. The pie dough is rolled out gently and placed into the pan. The apple filling goes in generously, followed by small pieces of butter, a simple detail that makes all the difference. The top crust is placed, the edges are sealed by hand, and the pie is brushed with egg wash and sprinkled with sugar. Not perfect, just real. Into the oven it goes, and soon, the kitchen fills with that unmistakable smell, apples, butter, and warmth. When it comes out, the crust is golden and the filling gently bubbling. After a short rest, the first slice is cut. Steam rises, the apples are soft, and the flavors feel familiar. Served warm, maybe with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, this apple pie tastes exactly like home. If this recipe made you smile, give it a like and subscribe.